Now you might be wondering like, oh, we're in the best case scenario, but I have less assets than I did from the base case, right? So we got 57 in the base case, and now we around 56. I mean, it's not too far off. I mean, we're talking about roughly 1,000, give or take. And the same thing goes for in November. Now here you can see a pretty big difference here from 84 in the best case to the base case being around 100,000, 123 respectively, and then in 2028 it's 111, right? But don't sweat that, right? I'm gonna tell you why. When you go down here to your liabilities and equity, look at the differences here. So your equity in your base case was around 13,660, but in the best case scenario, your equity has improved, right? A lot of the factors that the drivers that we created for this particular example, you see mostly it's easier to spot it on a profit loss statement, right? But you have to realize a profit loss statement is flowing through into the balance sheet too.